Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best Bidet toilet seats of 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. Bidet DIB Special Edition. The Bidet DIB Special Edition has a sleek design that gives it a slim appearance. The lid covers much of the rear housing, leaving only about 2 inches of the top of the rear housing visible with the lid closed. There is the DIB logo lettering centered on top of the visible rear housing, and in the upper left corner there is a rectangular black window which serves as the receiver for communicating with the remote control. The lid has a slightly concave curve across the rear of the unit, and it slopes downward toward the narrower front of the unit more dramatically than other Bidet seats. The more dramatic slope plays into the slimming effect for the unit. The clean, curved lines and the lack of excessive logos or buttons or lights on the rear make for a very elegant and modern design. The electric cord extends from the rear right-hand side of the DIB Special Edition as you are facing the toilet. The cord is 46 inches long. Number 4. Brondell Swash 1400 Bidet Toilet Seat. The Brondell Swash 1400 is a luxury class Bidet seat that's loaded with high-end features and a low-profile design. It offers endless warm water, a cool blue LED nightlight, dual stainless steel nozzle, and much more. The Swash 1400 is Brondell's latest flagship model, an update over the previous Swash 1000 model. It has an elegant form with a new hidden pocket that helps conceal the power cord and water supply hose from sight. Its lid has a nicely contoured design that makes it fully sittable up to 300 ohms. Brondell also updated the Swash 1400 with a cool blue LED night light, which provides a soft glow inside the toilet bowl. The seat and lid are slow closing to prevent slams. Simply push them forward and they will softly close on their own. Other updates to the Swash 1400 include a farther-reaching front feminine nozzle, the ability to save user presets on the remote control, and additional internal improvements. Number 3. BidetMate 2000 Series Electric Bidet Heated Smart Toilet Seat. BidetMate provides a gentle, refreshing clean for the entire family. Choose from customizable aerated, pulse, feminine, power wash, massage, and child wash functions. Number 2. KOHLER K18751-0C3050 Elongated Warm Water Bidet Toilet Seat. Bring the freshness and convenience of personal cleansing to your existing toilet with the C30-050 Bidet toilet seat. Enjoy the soothing comfort of warm water cleansing and a slim, low-profile design that fits most elongated toilets. The self-cleaning stainless steel wand uses UV light for automatic. Number 1. American Standard Advanced Clean 100 SpaLet Bidet Seat. The Advanced Clean 100 SpaLet Bidet toilet from American Standard combines the cleansing of a bidet with the sleek lines of a modern auto-flush toilet. Featuring a heated bidet seat with dual nozzles that direct a soothing stream of warm water to both front and rear areas, it ensures a complete, comfortable cleansing experience. Beneficial for expectant and new moms, offering relief from uncomfortable conditions that come with pregnancy and postpartum. Engineered for unparalleled personal hygiene and design excellence, the Advanced Clean 100 SpaLet Bidet toilet delivers a uniquely refreshing experience in a style to complement every bathroom.